On the journey toward more sustainable driving, only one brand brings you 3 electrified choices in one affordable family of vehicles: Kia. Introducing the all-new Kia Niro crossovers. The EV, the HEV, and the PHEV. Whichever version you choose, Niro is larger and roomier than ever, with cutting-edge technologies and an entirely new design inside and out. With its 64.8 kilowatt-hour battery and 150 kilowatt motor, Niro EV delivers up to 253 miles of all-electric range. And it charges from 10 to 80% in under 45 minutes, thanks to standard DC fast charging capability. An optional heat pump and battery warmer help the Niro EV make the most of its battery capacity, even on the coldest days. Niro EV's battery can also be used as an onboard generator to power everything from an air compressor to a coffee maker. In the Niro Hybrid, a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine joins forces with a 32 kilowatt electric motor to deliver 139 horsepower and a driving range of up to 588 miles. Not to mention, best-in-class fuel efficiency of 53 miles per gallon. In fact, no competing hybrid SUV comes close. Corolla Cross Hybrid promises only 37 miles per gallon combined, and the RAV4 HEV delivers just 40. Plus, Niro hybrid models offer a quiet green zone drive mode that uses navigation data to drive on pure electric power based on location, such as in residential areas or near schools and hospitals. The Kia Niro plug-in hybrid pairs a 1.6-liter engine with a 62 kilowatt electric motor, delivering 180 horsepower and 33 miles of all-electric range. That's a 25% improvement over the previous model. Being a leader in electrified choices isn't the only thing that makes Kia Niro stand out. With its unique size and combination of features, Niro is literally in a league of its own. It's bigger in every possible dimension. 2.5 inches longer, nearly an inch wider, and almost half an inch taller, all adding up to best-in-class head and shoulder room and class-leading cargo volume. Niro's interior spaciousness even rivals vehicles a class up, with more legroom than RAV4 along with comparable headroom. Up front, Niro brings a fresh interpretation to Kia's signature Tiger Nose grille. It extends from the fender to the high-tech projector headlights and standard heartbeat daytime running lights. The taller roofline gives Niro a distinct CUV stance and features roof rails that emphasize its capable image. Available in a striking two-tone color palette, the air blades define Niro's C-pillar. Air flows through the blades, which thrust the wind past the standard LED boomerang taillights and out past the rear of the vehicle, aiding aerodynamics and fuel efficiency in the process. The bold design theme continues with a rugged skid plate garnish on the lower bumper. And for the first time on Niro, a smart power lift gate is available, which can be set to open automatically as you approach. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid models complete Niro's more aggressive look with sporty, optional 18-inch wheels. On the inside, Niro is inspired by Kia's design philosophy of opposites united. Horizontal and diagonal forms create a sense of movement throughout the cabin. The most eye-catching feature is Niro's expanse of more than 20 inches of uninterrupted display surface. The center console features a large storage compartment that can quickly transform into a pair of cup holders. The seats are slim and comfortable, made from sturdy, lightweight gigasteel. They're also heated and ventilated. And throughout the EV's interior, the materials used in manufacturing are 100% vegan. The headliner is made of recycled wallpaper. The door panels are covered in BTX-free paint. And environmentally friendly eucalyptus leaves are integrated into the production of other interior components. Electrified vehicle customers enjoy a high-tech lifestyle. Niro exceeds their expectations with a thoughtful package of technologies that provide comfort, functionality, and convenience, such as standard dual climate control and an available Harman Kardon audio system that's right at the driver's fingertips. Or owners can go touch-free thanks to standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In the EV and PHEV, there's a simple, intuitive dial shifter. And in the EV model, an available head-up display that projects essential information directly into the driver's line of sight. To keep Niro's tech-savvy customer powered up at all times, there's an optional wireless charging pad up front and standard USB ports in each front row seatback. Owners can even use an Apple Watch or a smartphone to unlock and start the vehicle with Kia Digital Key Touch. And by sending a simple text message, others can be granted access remotely as well. In terms of safety features, our DriveWise Intelligent Advanced Driver Assistance System comes standard. It helps the driver avoid forward collisions, blind spot accidents, rear cross traffic, and pedestrians front and back. Plus, Niro features Highway Drive Assist 2 on the EV model, offering stop-and-go guidance and automatic lane change assistance. It also includes Smart Cruise Control that uses machine learning to learn your driving style. When it's activated, it replicates your driving habits, so the vehicle's distance, acceleration, and reaction speed feel natural to you. With cutting-edge style for all your urban adventures, a sustainable purpose that drives toward a greener future, and 3 electrified options to suit your specific driving needs, the all-new Kia Niro combines practicality and fun for a new generation of eco-conscious drivers.
Kia, movement that inspires.